you need to install Toyota Land Cruiser Prado wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. Toyota Land Cruiser Prado wheel spacers are a common modification for car model lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their cars. The Land Cruiser Prado wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. Recommend installing Toyota Land Cruiser Prado wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Toyota Land Cruiser Prado wheel spacers can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger components or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric Toyota Land Cruiser Prado wheel spacers can provide high stability. Bonus Toyota Land Cruiser Prado wheel spacers have multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and the wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of Bonus makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the Bonus Toyota Land Cruiser Prado wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. Hub-Centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and thread than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacers is usually more expensive than a lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, Bonus active cooling Toyota Land Cruiser Prado wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make free cooling better, distribute and pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. So, if you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.